Bishop w'itware eby'amagara His Grace Lambert bino mugisha atwire umukuramburo mu parish y'Ibanda ari kuhereruka hirwaro rya Uganda Matters muri Ibanda. Omukitambo kya misa ekyo kushabira emirimo erikorerwa hirwaro eri nayo riko kusima habwe eklezia okutandikaho obuhereza bw'amarwariro okuyamba abantu abatakwebasa na munongo muri Ibanda okutandika n'omwaka gwa 2012.
On this hill, people have been hatched, especially in this hospital. On this hill, people have been marched, especially in our church. On this hill, people have been dispatched, especially in our hospital here. But all these are blessings.
We have encountered different challenges and we have tried to overcome them in different ways. One of them is staff attrition. We have the pandemic which has affected everybody on the globe, and I have to mention that one of the major challenges we have is negative publicity of our hospital and also non-payment of medical bills. Turugire kutabona za kamera ezugwa nziringuruza abantu abo bamwe babene barugo mu ward bakoma kuceka batoranka kuri bagenda batashashwire konka hatutiriho za kamera kuba nazarazara tubatwamurebire.
Omukoro ogu Lambert nabwe asibwira atwira rukwebembera irwaro eri kumara emyaka 26. Dr. Emmanuel Byaruhanga.
Capital development, Your Grace, you have moved around and you have seen what we are doing. I will not repeat them. The different constructions we have done, they are very many.
Oguhati ni warukwebembera irwaro rukuru eri Akawempe National Referral Hospital.
We need to count these blessings.
District y'Ibanda buri mwaka ni kwatira hirwaro eri na miliyoni 107 bitu nobwezi ziri sente nke abebembezi ni basimo murimo guri kukorwa.
Your Grace nka government irwaro eri ntukoragana ginariyo ahabo kuba omuri Ibanda district otirho na kamweje na kitagwenda ndi irwaro eri twine ryamani eri kutusavingaje kandi eri kutukora kandi Ibanda district irwaro eri paiya.
Omugandi omuherezo wa Ankole Diocese Sheldon Mwesugwa kwabira ari haburisa bwa Kibingo ahashire na igure cyombeko cyo mwahure oburisa bwa Kibingo Reverend Frank Chuhumuro no kutaho abane mikono.
Atumariyo ibiro byona kandi agero kutosha wewe wokwera siwari ko mkambu wawe utawaho.
Amina.
Ashabira abazira okumanya ngo kushoma nico kikuru cyo kubasa kusigira omwana. Mukuru w'abakurustayo Javaro Amafa mukugamba agizire ngo enjeji eherizeho obukikuru runana.
Kombe kirenjeji kugira ngo umukozi w'itomwe omwahuri atureje nekaye abone kutusavinga kurunji umuhereza bwo kuburira injiri ya Kristo kandi akajisya abakristayo atebekine atari kuterwa inzura atari kuzokunuka.
Batito mu ruhango rebezwa ngo n'itsima munonga umuco gwamba okugambira omukanisa ya weji aha kitutu cya weji omulisa bawe obwa Kibingo ombakristayo bawe aba Kibingo okunyikiriza nyowe ko kundi gungambira abantu awaba ekigambo cya hangaye bari munga mayo Bishop.
Gashaka Timothy Mushabe na Arwaswa.